Hi, this is Asasha from Digimax, and today I'll be discussing about a neat and cool trick in Canva. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to go and create a design and head over to customize size. And in the width I'm going to write 2000 and in height it will be 250 pixels. The good thing about it is that it works in both Canva and Canva Pro as well. So here I'll create the new design, and this is our canvas. Now I can change the color of the canvas to whatever color that I like, and let me say I like to have this in pink color, or let's suppose this one, or blue. Blue is much better. So now I'm going to go ahead and write a text that is welcome to Digimax. I'm going to put the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out and extend this text box all the way on right side and left side. And in the position tab, I'm going to position it on the extreme left. So after two space bar, first I will have to copy this, and again two space bar and paste. Two space bar and paste. Two space bar and paste. And right, two space bar and paste. So I have my text ready to position this text in center. So now in the animate section, I'm going to go ahead and click on trim and move the intensity all the way to the maximum. This is a option is available in Pro. Other than that, all the options are available. Now I'm going to click on share, download, and save it as a GIF or in MP4. So this is the simplest way in which you can create a banner for your website or for your Instagram story or for whatever platform that you're using. So this saved over here. Open it. And this, ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a banner.